Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2002 to 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2500? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2002 to 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2500, the engine compartment fuse box is located in the engine bay next to the battery. It protects vital circuits including the engine control, fuel system, ABS, headlights, and cooling fans. This setup ensures reliable operation of both critical powertrain components and key safety features. In the 2006 to 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2500, the engine compartment fuse box is mounted in the engine bay near the battery. It safeguards essential systems such as the engine management, fuel pump, ABS, headlights, and cooling fans.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.